Hi! Today we're going to tell you about Excel Automatic Template for Product Cost, Pricing Markup, Fees, and Net Profit Calculator, and how to use it. This template was created for manufacturers and resellers to set up their selling marketplaces and agents' payment fees. Let's get started. The two sheets in this Excel spreadsheet have two sections. The first is the Product Calculator, while the second one is Profit Calculator, contains various colored cells. To calculate the cost of products, enter the working hours of your employee. You may also include the shipping and packing costs in other expenses, investment. After entering the suggested price and profit, the calculation is automatically done. The second sheet is a useful tool for resellers to set up their selling marketplaces and agents' payment fees. You can also customize the names of all 14 marketplaces and the fees that they charge. On the next page, we added various fees for these marketplaces and agents' payment fees. You can customize the number of fees that you charge for each item and the total profit that you get from each marketplace. If you're interested in product cost and pricing markup Excel template, please click on the link in the description of this video so you can get one for your business and start using it today. Thank you. I hope that information helps. You have a good day. Bye.